It's not always easy to motivate yourself to tackle housework, but when your space is organized in a practical and efficient way, the benefits last for a long time. Hello friends and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. In today's video I'll be sharing some of my favorite storage solutions that I personally use at home, and I hope they inspire you to transform your space as well. And let's get started. Today I decided to start organizing the kids' bathroom, specifically this drawer under the sink. Even though it's the kids' bathroom, the whole family uses it from time to time. Over time, this spot has turned into a real magnet for clutter. First, you need to take everything out of the drawer. I always start organizing by emptying the space because it makes it much easier to figure out what's unnecessary and to sort the necessary things into categories. Now that the drawer is empty, it's time to clean it. For this storage zone, I bought 4 organizers to try out. They come in sets of 2. They are very lightweight but hold their shape well and are easy to clean, which makes them perfect for a bathroom. You can store anything in them, from bottles and feminine hygiene products to toothbrushes and toothpaste. The boxes fit perfectly into my drawer and I'm so happy about it. Now I can start putting things away. I'm organizing everything by category so that each section holds a specific group of items. The best part about these new boxes is that they organize everything, create boundaries, and keep things from flying around in the drawer like before. There's a lot of stuff in here, but now it will be much easier to navigate. And here's the result. It only took me 10 minutes to organize this drawer, and now it's neat and convenient. It's much easier to find what we need. If you don't already have one of these soft storage bags at home, I highly recommend getting one. They come in different brands, sizes and colors, so everyone can find one that suits them. I ordered this organizer on the internet and it costs less than 2 euros. But well, the quality could be better. Still, it works fine for my needs. Now for the positives. This organizer holds a lot, and thanks to the clear window you can easily see what's inside. The walls are soft, so you can fit in even on a smaller shelf. I ordered this to store my kids' winter jackets and ski pants during the warmer months. If you stack them, it's much easier to keep track of everything. I am also storing their ski mittens and gloves here, and I'll use a small zippered bag to organize them. I always try to label everything. First, so I don't have to keep explaining to my family what's in each new organizer. And second, because even I might forget what's inside. Labels make life so much easier. So I take my label maker and print a sticker. This label maker connects to my smartphone and the app lets me choose the design, font and lots of other options. The organizer is going on the top shelf in the kids section. Here you can clearly see the benefit of a soft organizer. It fits perfectly into the shelf space. Now I can attach the label, so it's clear what's stored inside. I had to adjust the shelf here and it created this narrow space. But with the right organizer, even awkward spot can be used. This one has 2 sections, and I'm putting my kids' hats and scarves in them. One side for one daughter and the other side for the other. The organizer fits well height-wise, and to get something out, you just need to pull it out. But I sincerely hope you won't need the hats and scarves this summer. By the way, friends, let me know what the weather is like where you are today. I'd love to hear about it. There's a little space next to the organizer and I'll put my younger daughter's warm sweat pants here, just in case we need them even in the warmer months. It'll be handy to have them more easily accessible. In my daughter's closet there is also a hanging organizer with pockets that you've probably seen in my videos before. We don't need mittens in the summer, so I fold it in half and tuck it away in the free space above the ski clothes bag. And here's the result. The space is now used to its maximum, and even though the shelves are high, it'll be easy to reach anything we need. Staying organized isn't just about your home, it's about taking care of yourself too. That's why I love finding simple ways to keep things looking neat and beautiful, including my nails. With MANIKO, I can have salon quality nails at home without wasting time or energy. It's been 3 weeks and it's time to take them off. Luckily, the removal process is super simple. First, I loosen the edges of the gel strip with the stick. Then I grab the MANIKO remover pen and in no time the strips are off. Quick and gentle, leaving my nails totally undamaged. Afterward, I can easily apply a fresh set with my favorite color. The process is just as fun and easy as before. I clean my nails, choose the right gel strips, apply them, file off the excess, and cure them under the UV lamp. This time I've decided to add a top coat for extra protection and that ultra shiny finish. It really makes the strips pop. After curing the top coat, I finish with my favorite cuticle oil to keep everything looking perfect. In just 10 minutes, I have flawless, chip-free nails that are perfect for celebrating the upcoming holidays. You can find the link for MANIKO in the description box below. Now let's take a look in my kitchen because the next idea is about storing dishes. When we first moved into our new home, I installed telescopic rods here, 2 in each drawer. After a while I got these bamboo dividers, which have been a favorite of home organization lovers for a long time. They are made for drawers and they are great because they have springs that securely hold them in place between the walls. Without thinking twice, I replaced the rods with these dividers and was pretty happy with the result. But the problem is that the dividers are quite thick, and in this particular drawer they were putting too much pressure on the walls. Strangely, I don't have this problem in any other drawer in the kitchen, where the dividers still work just fine without causing any issues. So I decided to buy the original organizer from my kitchen's manufacturer with removable pegs. You can adjust them to fit dishes of any shape and size, and I easily arranged them the way I wanted. This is where my salad bowls and plates of different sizes go. When I open the drawer, everything stays in place and doesn't cling together. And the question of the day is this: what idea from today's video did you like the most? If you liked this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!